Okay, everybody, we've got dirty laundry here that really needs to be cleaned. So this is my son's white dress shirt that's covered in hot chocolate stain that he shoved in the back of his closet that's been there for months. He just told me about it now. So we're gonna try clean that. We're gonna try clean the ring around the collar here in the back. And then my daughter had a nosebleed on her sheet, so we're gonna try to deal with all of that using our BunchaFarmers stain stick. So first we're just gonna wet everything down. So I just started here with the stain stick a little bit, and you can already see that it's doing a number on this hot chocolate stain. It's coming out actually a little bit already. Okay, so we're just working through down the front of the shirt here as we go. And you can see the stain stick's already kind of bringing out that stain on the front of the shirt here. Around the collar, this works for my husband's work collars too. That BunchaFarmers stain stick works really well for any organic stains. So this will work for grass stains, blueberry stains, red wine stains, you know, blood, hot chocolate, anything like that that your kids are going to get into, spaghetti sauce, whatever. And it works on poop stains from your cloth diapers too. So if those bother you, this will work too. If you just take a little toothbrush like I'm doing here, it'll get around things like buttons and stuff like that, and it'll get it in really well. Here we go. We treated it with the BunchaFarmers stain stick, and we're going to pop that in the washing machine. And I added nothing else to the laundry except for our Tide Free. So we use the Tide Free pods, and I'm going to use one pod in this little laundry and see how it does. Collar. Ring on the collar's nice and clean. That worked. Buttons nice and clean. Front nice and clean. Pocket, everything down the front nice and clean. And this side was pretty dirty. That's clean. Came out nice. Not bad. And the nosebleed stain is totally out too.